Yep, you can do it. Let's get this honey glazed salmon, broccolini, and soft fried potatoes and onions on your dinner table tonight. My salmon came on a cedar plank, but if yours did not, that is totally okay. It will not take anything away from it to just put it on aluminum foil or parchment paper and put it in the air fryer. Hey guys, so here is a quick meal idea. This is salmon, and I got this from Aldi's. It's on the cedar plank. And what I'm going to do is put the salmon just on this aluminum foil just for a little while I soak this cedar plank in water. It says to soak it for 15 minutes. So that is what I'm going to do, and then I will be back. And this is just how it comes, just like this. I should have taken a picture of it, you know, the package, but did not. But this is just what it looks like right out the pack. So these are the instructions right here. Soak the plank. It says in hot water, 15 minutes. Cover entire plank with food. Add preheated grill or oven. Keep grill or oven closed. Cook until done. Do not leave unattended. And if you have flames, I guess, douse the flames with water. So I'm just putting a little bit of hot water in my sink, and I'm going to let it soak. So what I'm going to do is put a bowl on top of this so it can stay submerged. There we go. Okay, over here on the island, I have some potatoes that just washed off. I'm going to put some grapeseed oil on them and some salt, and I'm going to pierce them with a knife and, you know, kind of let the knife go halfway through on each side, maybe about 3-4 piercings on each potato, and then I'm going to microwave them. Just running short on time. I've been working today and I need to get these done quick, but the optimal thing would be, of course, to do is put them in the oven, but this is a shortcut way. You can microwave them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and you can eat them like that, you know, take them out of the microwave, salt and butter them, eat them like that, and then of course test for tenderness. You know, of course, before you just dress them all up and everything, make sure they're tender as you want them to be. But once they're ready, take them out, butter them, salt them, and, you know, you can eat them like that. Or you can slice, you know, skin them, slice them up, or leave the skin on if you want, and put a little oil in the bottom of the skillet and kind of saute, fry them, get a little crisp on them. And then, you know, salt them up, give some salt or whatever seasonings you want, Italian seasonings, put some garlic in there and some onion if you want to, and it'd be so good. I'm going to do something similar to that today. So all you do is, you know, you just put the oil just a little bit. And what I'm going to do is salt them. Hold on a second. And salt them. And of course, I'm going to coat them and get them all coated on all sides. Let me get them pricked up and everything. And I'm sorry I don't have my tripod down here. Yes, get them all glistened up. All rubbed down. Okay. And then I'm going to pierce them with a knife. You can do it with a fork, whatever you want to. Okay, let's get these in. Okay, we're going to take the wood out now. So I'm going to now get a little bit of grapeseed oil on here, garlic powder, onion powder, lemon pepper, smoked paprika, and a little Old Bay. I'm going to season that and get it on the plank, get it in the air fryer. And I forgot the ground black pepper, y'all. I'm going to put some of that on. Y'all excuse the loud TV. My husband watching TV downstairs. And you can always, you know, massage it in. Go from there. So I've got it in the air fryer. I'm going to put it on the fish option, and it's going to go for about 10 minutes. And I'm gonna kind of look at it then and see if it's done or not, and then I'll be back. Here's the broccolini. I'm about to put it in the pan. It's a sweet baby broccoli. It's also called broccolini, but I like this a little better than broccoli, regular broccoli. And also, however you clean your vegetables, go ahead and clean them off first. Okay, and to this oil, I'm going to add some of my broccolini stalks. They're thicker. I don't want to put the ends with the florets in it yet. They take not as much time, so I want to just put these in. You can go ahead after about, I'd say 5 minutes, and put in some onions. So for the sauce, we are going to add in our butter. And this is about 1.5 teaspoons. I am putting in honey. And we're going to do about 3 tablespoons. And then mustard. That's about 1 tablespoon. You can use more or less depending on your taste buds. And about, let's say, 1/4 teaspoon of this Tote Chachers or Chachers Creole seasoning. Kind of whisk it up just a little bit and get it in the microwave, and then you'll be able to whisk it even more once it gets loose. Okay, I'm gonna get it in the microwave. Get a little caramelization going. And I'm gonna put the floret ends in now. And now the potatoes go in. The potatoes are going. I'm going to add some onion in. That'll be a nice little bit kind of crispy potatoes with onions. Then I'm going to get them seasoned as well. And I just put the mushrooms in. I'll probably cut up a few more and put them in. And after I do that, I'm going to season it and top it back up. Let it steam a little bit. And I just put a little bit more water in there to help it steam. I am about to season now. I'm going to use this Italian seasoning by Andrew Zimmern. And I'm going to get that in there. And I'm going to put some pepper and brown sugar bourbon in here. I'm going to put a little honey for sweetness, just a little bit. You add as much as you want or as little as you want or none at all. But honey just makes it, you know, just a little bit more, like I say, savory to me. Putting in a little pepper. Some McCormick Grill Mates brown sugar bourbon. Taste as you go along to see what you like. And some honey. On the potatoes, they're crisping up good. I'm going to add a little bit of Lowry. A little pepper. You can add a little salt if you want. I'm going to put some, a little bit of garlic powder. I even like a little Italian in mine. But you can put in what seasonings you like. Get them stirred up so they can get, you know, kind of seared on the other side. And here is the salmon, and it's looking really good. And we're going to get this salmon cut up into 2 pieces. Get everything plated up. This sauce is so good, this honey mustard glaze. The simplicity of it is that you control the taste of it, because if you wanted it more mustardy, you can add more mustard than I did. If not, you can add less and then more honey. But the way it is that I have it set up, it's just the right amount, and it's just a beautiful glaze all around. And here we are, honey glazed salmon with broccolini with mushrooms and onions, and soft fried potatoes and onions. And in either one of these side dishes, you could put fresh garlic in and just would take it to another level as well. So enjoy and let me know how you liked it.